Welcome to Module 17, Lesson 5. Our I CAN statement reads, I can use a protractor to accurately and precisely measure and draw angles in two-dimensional figures. You will need a protractor to complete this lesson. The problem we're going to do together, you will not need a protractor for, but you will need a protractor to complete the remainder of the lesson. So we're going to go straight to page 462 here. Shonda's architectural plans for the Science Museum main entrance will include a trapezoid-shaped window with two 75-degree angles. How can Shonda draw angles of the given measure to form a trapezoid? We're going to place the center point of the protractor on point O. There it is right there. We align the line segment ON with the 0 mark on the protractor. Using the same scale, so remembering which side of the protractor we're working on. Make a point at 75 degrees. Label point L. Okay, I'm going to zoom in. Remember, each of these larger tick marks is worth 10, and the smaller tick marks are worth 5. So, I'm starting here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75. So I will mark my point at 75. Now I can draw my line OL. Okay, I draw from my O to my point L. All right, now we're going to realign our protractor. So you can see that in this picture here. Because now we need to draw it from point N. So we'll place the center on point N, align NO with the 0 line. Notice now we're working on the outside edge of our protractor. So we're going to use the outside edge this time to find 75. Again, each of these bigger lines is still worth 10, and the littler line is 5. The tiny lines are 1. Okay, so we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75. So we'll mark it and label this point M. Now you're going to use a straight edge, which might be like a side of your notebook or a ruler if you have it, or the other side of your protractor, because we need point M to be at about the same point as point L. So I'm going to draw a straight line going through point M, reaching up towards where L is, and I'm going to relabel that my point M. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and draw my line segment for LM to form my trapezoid. Right, and there we go. So make sure you have a protractor to complete the rest of this lesson.